Hello, my name is Margaret Williams, and on behalf of the Math Talls, I would like to thank you, grade level teacher leaders, for taking leadership in this event by making sure that our April 5th math professional development is the very best that it can be. We have asked you to facilitate and take a leadership role in the prequel for the April 5th training, which should take place on March 29th. Now, this could take place um, with your team working together or with people working individually. That would be a site-based decision. But we know that your principals are providing that opportunity for you on March 29th to engage in this learning opportunity. And this will be that foundation for what you do on April 5th. So we are going to make a copy. You will be asked to make a copy as well so that you will have a document that you can write on. So let's make sure we can get in there. And you will see this introduction, which tells you a little bit about the background. You can see a schedule overview, and you can see that this learning experience will take about 2.5 hours. Some of it will be watching videos, some of it will be doing some reading, and there will be a lot of reflecting going on. So if we scroll down, we will see self-study 1, getting started with Bridges intervention. So a key thing that we would like to point out with this is that there is a video for you to watch. And as you are watching the video, we're going to ask that you have available either a digital or a hard copy of, if you're a K2 teacher, Bridges Intervention Volume 1. If you're a 3-5 teacher, Bridges Intervention Volume 5. Then you will go to this link. And I would open this link before I started watching the video. And you will be asked to make a copy of this as well so that you can edit it. And so you can see here that there are minutes to watch and pause and then reflect. So here are some bullet points of some things to note. There's a place for you to take notes about your thoughts and any questions that you might have. And you will be looking at the structure, the organization, research. Scrolling down here. Rectangles are for your note taking, and there will be some questions for you to answer. Right here after section 4, prompts or reflection questions for participant. So we're going to ask that you respond to these, take note of that, and then hang on to it for the April 5th PD. After you're done with self-study 1, you can go back to the main document, and here you will see some additional resources for you, some blogs to read and so on, just to build up your own background knowledge, but those are purely optional for you. Self-study 2 is about the Bridges intervention overview, and there's some reading for you to do. Note that the readings for K2 are different than the readings for 3-5, so make sure you're clicking on the correct links. Please respond to the reflection questions. And then self-study 3 is about word problem types. Those of you that have had training around cognitively guided instruction may find some familiarity here. But there's some really nice information in here and graphic organizers to help students really make sense of the problems that they are solving. And there are intervention activities to support that learning as well. So again, these are differentiated by K2 and 3-5. Take note that these are the questions that need to be responded to by you and your team. Everybody should have their own note-taking form, and then have that available for the April 5th PD. If you have any questions about this experience, we encourage you to reach out to your math specialist. And if they have any other questions, they can absolutely reach out to us. And we just want to thank you for all of your support that you are providing for this very important experience. So thank you and have a great day.